So if you're just joining us, the results of India's Lok Sabha elections, the general elections are still coming in. Let's just get you the key takeaways over the next few minutes. The trends from the counting of votes through our disappointing results for the BJP-led NDA, which appears to be losing heavily in its strongholds of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan. The exit polls got it wrong as of now. The way the numbers stand at 9 p.m. IST, the BJP does not have majority. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has won the Varanasi Lok Sabha seat for a third time, even as his National Democratic Alliance, NDA, stared at a shocking result in the politically significant state of Uttar Pradesh. It has been the BJP's big bastion, remember. In the past two general elections, the Indian Prime Minister said this while thanking the people of India. Listen in.
हम सभी जनता जनार्दन के बहुत आभारी हैं। देशवासियों ने भाजपा पर, एनडीए पर पूर्ण विश्वास जताया है। आज की ये विजय दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र की जीत है। ये भारत के संविधान पर अटूट निष्ठा की जीत है।
The Congress-led opposition bloc put up a tough challenge to the BJP. If the current trend gets converted into final results, this will be the first time since 2014 that the BJP fails to cross the majority mark on its own. Prime Minister Modi's ruling party will need help from the partners to form a government. So what happens next? The opposition is asking Prime Minister Modi to step down. Listen in.
I am happy that PM Modi's BJP is not the single largest party. PM Modi has lost his credibility and he should step down. He had said that BJP will win over 400 seats.
And the Congress says it has the people's mandate. Let's play out that reaction for you.
I'd like to thank everybody who has participated in this election. I am extremely proud of the people of India. I'm extremely proud of the people who have resisted this onslaught on the Constitution.
What about the BJP? Here's what the party president had to say.
हम जानते हैं कि 2014 के बाद मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक मजबूत सरकार बनकर के आई, मजबूत सरकार। और हमने देखा कि इस मजबूत सरकार को 2019 में फिर से भारत की जनता का आशीर्वाद मिला और देश के चाहे कोई आपदा आई, चाहे समस्याएं आई, चाहे गरीबों के उत्थान के विषय थे, प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की नीतियों को फिर से 2024 में आशीर्वाद देते हुए इस ऐतिहासिक घड़ी को हम देख रहे हैं जब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी तीसरी बार लगातार प्रधानमंत्री बन रहे हैं। इस बात को भी हमने देखा, ये भी इसके अभी हम साक्षी हैं।
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.